Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace an iPhone 4S rear glass. If you did want a professional to undertake the job or you want to buy any of the parts or tools in the video, just click the link in the description below. So if you begin by undoing 2 pantalobe screws in the bottom of the iPhone. Simply push up from the bottom and lift away. So put the new one on, locate the pins just slightly up from the base of the phone and slide down towards the bottom. Once you're happy it's in place, you can refit the 2 screws in the base of the phone. And that's a replace glass on an iPhone 4S.